Today I am going to share Bangladeshi Baim fish curry recipe. Simple but delicious. Baim fish 1 kilogram. Clean and washed. Cut into small pieces. Done. Mustard oil, a half cup. Onion 1 cup. Minced garlic, 2 tablespoons. Salt. Stir fry 1 minute. Ginger paste, 1 teaspoon. Garlic paste, 1 teaspoon. Sauté 2 minutes. Turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon. Chili powder, 1 teaspoon. Cumin powder, 1 teaspoon. Coriander powder, a half teaspoon. Green chili. Water. Stir. Sliced tomato. Stir. Cover and cook 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, add Baim fish. Stir and mix. Cover and cook 10 minutes. Stir after sometimes. Cover again. Add water as needed. Cook 20 minutes on medium-low heat. Add some green chili for flavor. Add coriander leaf. Ready to serve. Thanks for watching.